Hey guys, so for today's video, I created this full look using the new ColourPop Secret Admire Valentine's Day collection. Sorry, the sun just like blinded me. I used the eyeshadow palette in the collection. I used one of the blushes and one of the new cream lips. So if you want to see how I got this cute little pink look, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, we got so much to go through today. There's a lot in this box. I'm not going to go through everything, but I'm going to try to use as much as possible today. We have 6 powder blushes. Guys, the packaging on this is freaking adorable. First of all, just like the lettering and style of the boxes is so cute. Kind of reminds me of like a tattoo style, so I just really love that. Okay, but like look how stinking cute this is. Just a little heart. I love it. And then yeah, just a basic powder blush inside. I got some hair clips. Don't really care about those. And then there are 6 French Kiss lip creams. All right, 6 right here. I kind of wish they put the color on the top there so I could like see what it is, but I'm not gonna open these now. I'll open these when we get to the lip part of the video. And then with Soul Body, they made a shimmering dry oil and then also this like a hairbrush. I'm not gonna use these products. I'm gonna set those aside for like my giveaway bin for in the future. There's also a Soul Body shimmering body powder. Again, not my vibe. And then with Fourth Ray Beauty, they have the Good Together moisturizer plus lip mask duo. But the star of the show and the reason why you're probably watching this video is the Secret Admire eyeshadow palette. Again, look at how cute this packaging is. And it looks like a freaking Valentine in the back with like how it opens. I just love the packaging. And as I would expect for a Valentine's Day themed palette, we have mostly pinky shades in here. Here's a little close-up of the shades here untouched. Love the cute little hearts in there, adorable. So I'm gonna go off camera and get my eyes prepped for eyeshadow and pop on my eyebrows, and then we will play with the eyeshadow palette. Anyways, I prime my eyes with the Rare Beauty little eyeshadow primer. This is my current obsession for eyeshadow primers, and I set that with the translucent powder. I like the RCMA one. Okay, let's dig into this palette. What do I wanna do today? I'm actually getting my booster shot after I film this video, so I don't want like super bright pink eyeshadow while I'm in the grocery store. So I'm probably not gonna use this shade, but like these ones down here are really pretty, maybe with like this guy. I'm gonna start with the Sigma E25 in the shade All Night. All right, and let's go in the crease here. The shade is showing up a lot pinker than it looks in the pan. In the pan, it almost looks kind of salmony, like a salmony peach with a hint of pink, but this is showing up like, this is pink. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of this with Love shade. I'm not too sure if this is light enough, but I'm gonna try to use this to kind of soften these edges. It kind of worked, but I think I'll go in with the lighter shade. Let's just do this shade first. Okay, so I'm just taking any skin tone colored shade that I have and just blending kind of right below my brow just to soften all of this up. It is so fun to be doing my makeup with this natural light. Like, it's just nice to see the colors as they are. All right, now I'm gonna take a Sigma E54 with this See You Tonight shade, and I wanna apply this shade all over my lid. This is pretty. So I'm packing this shade all the way up kind of into like my eye socket. So you can see I go like this. It's really like covering my whole eyeball. And the shade is applying really nice dry. Like my brush isn't wet or anything. All right, then going back to my E25 and just softly blending around that shimmer. Now I'm gonna take a Sigma E27 with this My Everything shade. Now I'm gonna use this to softly deepen up the outer corner here. I thought this shade would show up a little bit deeper. I mean, it's still like doing what I wanted, but I wish it was like a little bit darker. but that's just me because I love a super dark outer corner. All right, and then again, just going back in my E25 and kind of softening this edge right here. But it's okay if I'm a little bit sloppy because I can clean that up later with concealer. All right, I think I like that for the top lid. I'm gonna go do all my face makeup off camera, but we'll apply the blushes together. We'll kind of go through the colors, so I will be right back. All right, let me quickly tell you what's on my face because I just love my base makeup right now. Prime my skin with the Glow Recipe Plump Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Amazing. And then I put on the Auric Glow Lust in Morganite, just kind of like on my cheekbones, like where I would normally highlight. And then I went on top of that with the new NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. Been loving this. Did a little cream contour with the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. For my concealer, I used the Hourglass one, and then I set most of my face with the Kosas Cloud Set Powder. All right, but let's check out these blushes. I'm gonna go through each color here. I just can't get over the packaging. All right, this one is Let's Dance, kind of more of like a peachy toned. This one is Text Me. Look at how bright that is. This one is Flirt Alert, very like kind of cool tone shade. And then we have Forever Yours, kind of like a pinky red. And then this one's a white packaging, so at first I thought it was like a highlighter. Not a highlighter, just a very pretty like soft peachy blush. This is like a good everyday shade. And the last one I have is Baby Cakes. I love this color. This would like match my eyeshadow though if I did like a monochromatic kind of look. I feel like the safe option would be one of these two, especially since I'm wearing freaking bright pink eyeshadow. Let's try this one. This is Let's Dance. All right, so I'm gonna take that on my Sigma F76 chiseled cheek brush. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. Okay, I did like 3 layers of it because you want to start out soft because you don't know how crazy your blush is going to be, you know, especially if it's the first time using it. Then I'm just going to take my sponge that I use for my face and just kind of tap over these edges. Okay, that is so pretty. I love a good matte blush because I feel like so many blushes have like a hint of shimmer in them. I'm just sad that these are limited edition because like these are good powder blushes. All right, let's zoom in and finish up these eyeballs. I'm gonna take an E30 pencil brush with that deepest shade. All right, I'm gonna apply that along my entire lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this with Love Shade and just kind of soften that darker color. And then while I'm here, I'm just going to touch up anything that I think needs fixing. So I'm adding some more of that All Night color, kind of right here. Just tiny touch-ups, nothing crazy. Now I'm going to take this in the Mood color. I'm going to use my finger, pop that in my inner corner. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. And I'm going to soften that out with a little brush here. I'm just going to do a basic line of eyeliner across my top lash line. I'm going to use the Haus Labs liquid liner in Punk. Nothing crazy, just a thin line. All right, super easy. And now I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes. Okay, we're being blinded. I'm actually just gonna turn my whole setup here. At this point, I'm just trying to hide from the sun. All right, I popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes, I'm wearing a new half lash from my brand, The Bright Lashes, that will be launching later in February, if not March, but I'm aiming for late February. My setup looks so weird now that I just like shifted everything. It's fine though. Let's open these up, check out these colors for these lips, and pop one on. I'm gonna go for the nudish one because that's what I like. This one's in the shade Make Out. Honestly, I think I've tried this lip cream formula before. Oh yeah, I have. Cute little tiny applicator. It's a very soft, comfortable formula. I didn't even line my lips. I literally just put that on. I like it. All right, and this is my final look with the ColourPop Valentine's Day collection. I think it turned out super pretty. This eyeshadow is a lot pinker than I thought I was gonna wear today, but I mean, It's a pink palette. What did I expect? I'm really excited about these powder blushes. I'm definitely going to continue to use them, especially since they're matte and just really beautiful shades. Some were a little scary, but some were very wearable. All right, that is it for me today. Let me know if you guys are going to pick up anything from this collection. I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, cute puppy. Oh no. Oh no. This one's mine. Don't leave my makeup off, please. I love this one. This one's cute. Okay, thank you.